Yo, what's going on? My name is Chase. You're now tuning in Chase, our YouTube channel, which showcases my life, the things I'm passionate about, what Arkansas has to offer. If you haven't already, make sure you click that subscribe button so you can be a part of the driver squad. Make sure you like this video, because if you didn't know, once you like this video, you let everybody know on YouTube that this channel is valuable. Share this video with your friends and family members and let them know it's popping over here. Let's get in today's video.
Nah, for real. I pull up no star for real. I hop in the whip and take off, you know I'm on my
Driver Squad, what's going on? Chase right back with another video. I am bringing something to y'all that I said I was going to deliver for y'all on this Monday morning. So I know the stock market is already going live right now, but yeah, let's put y'all on screen recording real quick. I'm gonna throw the green screen on and I'm gonna shift me down a little bit. Well, let me adjust the camera real quick. Alright, let me put y'all up on the screen real quick. 3, 2, 1, let's go. So as I open up the cash out, let me move this down so y'all can see. Let me slide back a little bit. So what I am going to be doing, this is how my portfolio performed Friday. I didn't record no video, but we are up $84.69. But that's not what we're here to talk about. We are here to talk about banking and finance. We are about to do a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So over the next 2 weeks, I'm going to be doing 5 in a row. So it's going to be 10 episodes of dedicating on what stocks to invest in. Now the ETLs, hopefully the stock market got this, but I'm going to trust the stockchart.com. It's not a sponsor video, but I'm going to trust them that they will have all these stocks on the ETLs. But on the banking and finance part, I'm going to do the 20-day moving average, the 50-day moving average, and the 200-day moving average. And that's what all of this is about. So you about to watch me calculate each of them, then I'm gonna come back and discuss what everything means, and y'all gonna see. I'm gonna make this a little bit easier for y'all, and I'm gonna try not to make sure this video is long. But once I finish, I'm gonna get back on the screen and we're gonna talk about some of these companies out here, okay? I'll see y'all in about 2 seconds, but it's gonna take me about 3 hours, okay? Bet. Alright, so we are back. And after doing 23 of these companies, I think I made a better decision for y'all. So just to make it easier for the both of us, I'm going to probably split these up. Instead of doing them consistently back to back to back to back, I am going to probably switch these up. I don't really know how should I do this, but I do want to make sure I go over each company. I do want to go over each company. Even though I took some time and I wanted to make sure that I did this properly for y'all, it's just a little hard because once I do it, the numbers is not going to be the same once a new day comes. And I want to make sure that y'all are getting the correct information and y'all are investing at the right moment and taking advantage of these companies at the right time. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put y'all up on the screen. 3, 2, 1, let's go. I'm going to put y'all up on the screen and we're going to go over all the companies that I done got so far. So this gonna update. There we go. So this is everything. Let me get out y'all way. Okay, so we got everything, and as where's Chase right there? I don't know why Chase right there. Alright, okay, there we go. Okay, so you have 23 companies right here. You have JP Morgan, Visa, MA. I remember the first two. But as you look at the 20 moving day average, for those that are investing in short term, that are looking for quick bucks, as you can tell, in the next 20 day moving average, these companies are depreciating in value. And this may not be correct because I'm doing it at an 80% discount based off of what's going on and what the world our economy is at right now. And this is all basically on assumptions of doing a strategy and a theory. You don't have to go by this, but this is something that I go by, and this is something that I follow through Chris, because things are not going to go back to how it was normally. Things are going to be discounted a little bit, so you got to give that 80% discount, because things are not going to go back the way it's supposed to immediately. So you got to give it some time. But as you look at the stock price in the 200 moving day average, things are different. So once you look at your return rate on some of these companies, you see that let me zoom out a little bit. There we go. As you see, COF is you have a high return rate on a 200 moving day average. MGM, you have a 27.86% on your return rate. What is that? MAR, that's Marriott, I believe. You have a 5.6% chance. I mean, not chance, but return rate. I'm trying to make sure I don't mess up. That's what I'm trying not to do. I think that's something. I can't even remember, but that's 9.27%. WFC, a 37.28% on your return rate, and C, which is Chubbs. No, CB is Chubbs. C is it Citibank? I think it's Citibank. You have a 15.6% chance. I mean, on your return rate. And the other two are low. I got JP Morgan at the moment, so in the next 200 moving day average, you have 2.63 return rate. And let's do PNC together. So I'm going to just type this in at PNC right here. We already have it up. So you see you have a daily, which it closed at Friday. So we're gonna put 104.61. 104.61, and then we're gonna do our 200 moving day average. So we're gonna do equal sign, and our 200 moving day average is 102.49. 102.49, and we're gonna times it by 0.8, which will give us 96.39. And I remember somebody said, I don't do my calculations. Make sure I do my calculations for y'all so y'all can see. And if you're doing this by pen and paper, this is all what I'm doing. You can do it with your calculator to go along. The 50-day moving average is 97.89. 97.89, and we're gonna times that by 0.8, which will give you 78.31. And then lastly, the 200 moving day average is what I'm focusing on. Is the one is $130.49. 130.49 times 0.8 equals, which will give you 104.39. It's a little bit lower, but I'm going to still put weight 200. I'm still going to put weight 200. Now that means wait 200 days. So let's do another one so y'all can see how I do my return rates. So GPN, PN. Let's click go. And as y'all can tell by the graph, you see as it took that dip and it's making its way back up, it's a good time to invest. It's different strategies. It's different strategies that you can go by. As you can tell, it's at 176.75 right now. 176.75 equals, okay, this the 20-day moving average right here. So you're gonna do, what's the 20-day moving average? 169.69. 169.69 times 0.8. And since our 200 moving day average is smaller than our daily, what the share price is at the moment, I'm going to skip to the next one because y'all can't see. Let's do CI. Go. What is CI? Is single corporate group. Nope, 200 moving day is not higher than the where they closed at. So let's go to Charles Schwab. SCHW. Go. And all of these at discounted price. Okay, so our 200 moving day average is at 40.39, which is higher, which is good. And our 50-day moving average is higher, and our 20-day movement average is higher. But everything is at a 80%. 80% discount. So we're gonna still do it. So Charles Schwab is at 32.83. 32.83. Then the 20-day moving average is 34.84. 34.84 times it by 0.8, which would give you 27.87. The 50-day movement average is 34.18. 34.18 times 0.8, which would give you 27.34. Now the 200 moving day average, you're gonna do 40.39 times 0.8, which would give you 32.31. And I'm still going to say wait 200 days, because there's no telling. And then again, if you still want to invest your money, that's you, because I'm not your personal advisor or your financial broker or anything like that. I am a guy on YouTube that is sharing my strategies and what I do and where I put my money. So after 27 companies that I have did so far, I would say what stocks to invest in so your money can increase in the next 200 days. I am going to say, let's look COF. So let's go to CASHAPP and let's type in COF. So that is Capital One. Capital One is a good company to invest in. Capital One. What's another good company? MGM. MGM is a good company to invest in. That's another good company. WFC. Those are the top 3 companies to invest in. WFC. Those are the companies that we did so far. And then tomorrow, I'm going to continue. So instead of making this a 2-week process, this might be a little bit longer, but I am going to make sure I do each of these categories for y'all whatever it takes. I just can't do all of them in one day because the video is gonna be too long, and I want to make sure that y'all are watching all of these videos. Okay, that's it. 24.7, so that's good right now, and that's Wells Fargo. So